I just went live about this for about an hour, but I feel like I need to make a video for the people that missed the live. And I hope this reaches anyone that is even considering the creator program or is already in the creator program and has noticed these things. Unfortunately, I doubt it even reaches anyone just because I feel like they're gonna kill it because I'm calling the bullshit. So here are the reasons that I'm calling this program trash and I decided to opt out. And you can see right here, I opted out today. Stick with me till the end because you're going to want to hear this even if you're not already eligible in case you become eligible in the future. Number one, it has janked my account. That's number one. Like to no end. I have videos that are stuck. They won't upload. I've got videos that have like 60 views. And I'm not here to boast of myself, but getting 200 views on this platform is like a given, right? They give everybody 200 views. Unless your video is just shit quality or something like that. And that's not to offend anyone. That's just the honest truth. I got videos sitting at like 70 views. And when I check them, it says I've either gone against community guidelines or it's unoriginal content. Now that makes me angry because I put a lot of effort into creating original content. Like some of the most recent videos that they declined were like green screens of my profile. How is that not original? It's my profile. But here's the kicker. They disqualify the video if they consider it unoriginal, meaning they don't have to pay me for that video. Right? Second thing, I made a video about this on the 15th of March and it was disqualified for the program, go figure. But how they're giving boosted views to creators in the program to try to help them, I guess to encourage them to keep creating. However, that's not eligible to earn on. And the video I made, go check it out. It was on the 15th of March. I talked to you about how it tanked the metrics that actually matter. You see, the beginner digital marketer looks at, or content creator looks at views, right? And that's not money. You need to be looking at comments, engagement type metrics, saves, shares. So cool, you gave me an extra 50,000 views this week. And my engagement was less than 50% from the week before. Tanked my account. They tanked me. And then with all those extra views, look what I made. $35 in the last 30 days. You guys, my family of 5, it cost $45 just to go to Taco Bell. What the fuck is that gonna do for me? Nothing. So this is not me saying like, oh, I'm sad, my views are down, I'm gonna opt out and try to get them up. This is me like legit warning you. If they're paying for views, why are they gonna help you get money, right? Why would they help put money back in your pocket? It's bullshit. It's bullshit. So I should have had a bad feeling about this, and I'm honestly mad at myself that I didn't when I decided to opt into it back in like January. Because why would a platform make it so easy and help you make money, right? That's not business. But I didn't, and I did it anyway. Now, I didn't start seeing the boost on my videos or the effects on my videos until I made that video that showed you on March 15th. So I think that's kind of when they took it from beta to now it's like official. It's no longer called the beta program. So something changed. Something was tweaked in the last couple weeks and it has ruined my account. My account also has things missing. My share button is gone. My repost button is gone. And yes, I've done all the basic troubleshooting like updating the app and all that bullshit. And I did a lot of research on this, right? I wanted to know so I could educate my audience. And I found some creators that freaking love it and they're making bank and I made $7,000 my first month and whatever, that's cool. But they're not creating the kind of content I'm creating, right? They're creating funny, trendy type content that's engaging. And that's not me. That's not my brand. I'm here to teach you how to build a big ass business online, make money on social media, and I'm here to tell you getting paid from views is not how you're gonna do it. Here's the thing. If you're looking to make money on social media, you need to build your own business, your own brand, and not depend on these platforms for views and pays. Because all of the reviews that I have seen that are really good, where people were making bank, were from like October, November, December. Something has changed in the last 2 weeks. And I clearly ain't been making bank, even with their extra views they gave me. So I'm opting out. I'm out. It's not my business to be paid in views. That's just not it. And it really bothers me when I spend time creating educational content for online entrepreneurs and I'm getting DMs saying, hey, are you still on TikTok? I haven't seen your stuff in weeks. That's a fucking problem. Number 2, my FYP is full of videos from like 6 months ago. So something's weird. Number 3, I don't care what anyone says, but they're definitely not going to make it easy. And I'm not going to create videos of me, eating a banana or showing my feet or something just to try to get some views. It ain't worth all that. So this is my warning. This is my experience with the Creativity Beta program. I don't know that you'll ever even see this video because they'll probably kill it. But I hope that you do. I hope that you yield that warning. And I'm not saying I won't join it again in the future. Sure, maybe my account picks back up. I want to give it another try. I'm always down for trying again. But right now, my only goal is to serve my audience, and I can't do that when they're killing all of my content. My original content.